Hi, I'm Mrs. Lawrence, and I'm one of the teachers at UP Primary. Today, I'm going to be reading with you RW2 Unit 12, and we're going to do Exercise 1 together. Before we start, there's just a few things you're going to need. The first thing you're going to need is you need to make sure you have a nice, quiet place where you can work, where there aren't going to be any distractions to get in your way. The next thing that you're going to need is you're going to need your Unit 12 Exercise 1 decoding page. The last thing that you're going to need today is your homework for this Unit 12, Homework 1. If you don't have those things, go ahead and pause the video right now, grab what you need, and then come back and push play and we'll begin. Great, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'd like to do today is to go over some sound cards with you. So what I'll do is I'll hold up the sound, and then if you can try to say it, and then I'll say it right after you. All right, here we go. Ready? J, as in page. Oo, as in blue. J, as in badge. N, as in knee. F, as in phone. O, as in boat. Oi, as in point. E, as in bread. Oo, as in flute. Ah, as in paw. S, as in circle. S, as in center. O, as in snow. Oo, as in crew. Good job. Next, we'll look at this decoding page. And let me introduce you to the new sound you're going to learn today. This new sound is J, as in giraffe. Listen to my sentence and see how many words you can hear with the J sound. The giant gingerbread cookie looks like a giraffe. Did you hear that sound? It should be the words giant, gingerbread, and giraffe. Great job. Go ahead and look down at the next row, row B. We'll read the underlined part first, then we'll read the word. Here we go. J, register. J, imagine. J, giant. J, ginger. J, engine. You try those on your own. Ready? Read. Register. Imagine. Giant. Ginger. Engine. Good job. Go ahead and go down to the next section. Section 3 here. This is our shifty word blending. We'll read the underlined sound first, then we'll sound out the word. Ready? Read. Wings. Birds have wings. Next word. Underline part first. Ready? Read. Sings. He sings loudly in the shower. Next word. Things. I collect many different things. Next word. Thinks. She thinks carefully before she acts. Before she acts. Next word, A. Thanks. Thanks for reading with me today. Good job. Can you try those one more time without me? Here we go. Ready? Read. Wings. Sings. Things. Thinks. Thanks. Good. Go ahead and find the box that says A1. This is just some sound practice today. We're going to read the underlined part first, then the word. Ready? Read. O, oak. Next word. O, road. Last word. O, groaned. Could you try those three without me this time? Ready? Read. Oak, road, groaned. Good job. Let's look right at the bottom where it says names and places. The first name says Annie. Can you read Annie? Annie. Good job. The next word, read this one with me. It says Frog Creek. Good job. Last one says Pennsylvania. Could you try all three of those? Ready? Read. Annie, Frog Creek, Pennsylvania. These are all proper nouns because they are names of people and they are names of places. Let's look at the mixed practice in the next box. Underline part first, then the word. Here we go. Ready? Read. No. Next word. E, teeny. Next word. Alone. Next word. Ooh, woods. Next word. Oh, moment. Next word. I, side. Next word. Oi, pointing. Good. Last word. Ow, shouted. Good job. Could you try those ones independent of my voice? Ready? Read. No. Teeny. Alone. Woods. Moment. Side. Pointing. Shouted. Good job. Let's go over to the next box. These words are all going to have the bossy E. So the E that's in the word is going to make the first vowel that long vowel sound. Let's try them. Remember, we read the underlined part first, then the word. Ready? Read. I, sides. Next word. O, poked. Next word. O, rope. Can you try those? Ready? Read. Sides. Poked. Rope. Good. Underneath, there are some related words. So they're all going to have the same base word and then different endings. The base word for these words is long. So then the next word, you're going to see that ER ending. This word says longer. And then the last word has the EST and says longest. Could you try reading those? Ready? Read. Long, longer, longest. My hair was long, but my younger daughter's hair was longer. And then my older daughter's hair was the longest of all. Good job. Come over to the next one. This box is working on word endings. So the underlined part is the root word or that base word, and then we're going to add the endings. Here we go. Ready? Read. Glass, glasses. Next word. Tuck, tucked. Next word. Grip, gripped. Next word. Whisper, whispered. Next word. Head, headed. Next word. High, highest. Last one. Spend, spending. Could you try those ones on your own? Ready? Read. Glasses, tucked, gripped, whispered, headed, highest, spending. Great job. This last section up here, this last box in this section, these are our tricky words. So for our tricky words, we're going to read the word and then we're going to say the word 3 times. But I'll use it in a sentence first. Like, let me read you the example of the first one. This first word says, yeah. When my friend asked if I wanted to go to the park, I said, yeah. Ready? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. Look at the next word. Do you know what that word says? Right, it says 8. The number 7 comes right before the number 8. Can you say it 3 times? 8, 8, 8. Good job. The next word says climbing. The squirrels are going up the tree. They are climbing up the tree. Can you say it 3 times? Climbing, climbing, climbing. Good job. The next word says pushed. He pulled on the door when he should have pushed. Say it 3 times with me. Pushed, pushed, pushed. Next word. Sure. I sure miss my friends at school. Can you say sure 3 times with me? Sure, sure, sure. Last word. Minutes. How many minutes are in an hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour. Let's say that word 3 times. Minutes, minutes, minutes. Can you go through and say them by yourself? Ready? Read. Yeah. 8. Climbing. Pushed. Sure. Minutes. Good job. Down in this next box, we've got some multi-syllabic words. So these are going to have more than 1 syllable today. Let's read them when they're broken up, and then let's read the word. Ready? Read. Monster, monster. An imaginary creature is called a monster. Next word. Ready? Read. Gold, N. Golden. The ring was shiny and bright. It was golden in color. Good job. Next word. This one has 3 syllables. You ready? Read. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Reptiles that lived millions of years ago are called dinosaurs. The next word says disappeared. Disappeared. The magician put the rabbit in the hat. Then it disappeared. Next row. These ones are not broken up for us. So let's read the word and then we can decide how many syllables it has. The first word says window. How many do you think? Window. 2. Good job. The room was hot, so Jay opened the window. Next word. Pretend. Pretend. 2 syllables. Sammy likes to play make-believe. He likes to pretend. Next word. Ladder. Ladder. 2 syllables. The firefighter climbed up the ladder. Last word. Better. 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 If you practice reading every day, you will get better at it. Good. Let's go through and just read all of those words one more time. Are you ready? You read them and then I'll say them after you. Here we go. Monster. Golden. Dinosaurs. Disappeared. Pretend. Oops, I skipped this one. Window. Ladder. Better. Good job. Down at the bottom, we're going to read the underlined part first, then we'll read the word. Are you ready? Here we go. Lee. Softly. Next word. A bull. Watchable. Next word. Full. Helpful. Next word. Until. Last word. Be. Between. Can you try those on your own? Here we go. Softly. Watchable. Helpful. Until. Between. Great job. The last thing I'm going to have you do today is go ahead and look at your homework. This is homework number 1 for Unit 12, titled Peter's Stone, Chapter 1. This is a fiction story, so it means it's not real. You're going to want to read this maybe once or twice to somebody in your family, or more if you have more time. And then make sure when you're reading, make sure you're answering the questions that are at the bottom of each of the sections on each of the pages today. And then there's some more on the back. Thanks for reading with me today. I'll see you next time.